So today we're going to be looking at multiplying and dividing rational expressions. And so these are the two problems we're going to be looking at. And I'm going to start off with the multiplication. So we have y squared minus 9 over y squared minus 3y times y over y squared plus 9y plus 18. So the first thing we're going to want to do is combine these two fractions into one fraction, and the way you do that is by multiplying the numerators together and multiplying the denominators together. So once we do that, we are going to get y squared minus 9 times y over y squared minus 3y times y squared plus 9y plus 18. And when you're doing this, make sure that you don't expand each of the multiplications, because that's going to make it more difficult to factor, which is what we're going to do next. So now we want to factor each one of these polynomials. So y squared minus 9, that's going to factor into y plus 3 and y minus 3, and the y just stays as it is. And y squared minus 3y, well, that's going to factor into y times y minus 3. We're just going to pull a y out of there. And y squared plus 9y plus 18, well, that is going to factor into y plus 3 and y plus 6. So now we just want to cancel all of the like terms. So y plus 3 and y plus 3, those can cancel. Y minus 3 and y minus 3, those can cancel. The two y's can cancel. And so now we are left with 1 over y plus 6. And that is our answer. So now we're going to look at a division problem. So we have 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 over x squared minus 1 divided by 2x squared plus 5x plus 2 over x squared plus x minus 2. So when we start a division problem, we want to invert the denominator and multiply. So what that means is we're going to flip this fraction and multiply it by the numerator. So once we do that, it's going to look like 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 over x squared minus 1 times, so we want to put the denominator in the numerator, so x squared plus x minus 2, and the numerator goes in the denominator, so 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. And so now this is just a multiplication problem. So just like before, we're going to want to make this one fraction, so 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 times x squared plus x minus 2 divided by x squared minus 1 times 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. So once again, the first thing we want to do is look at what we can factor. So in this 2x minus 3x minus 2, we can factor out, that can factor into x minus 2 and 2x plus 1. The x squared plus x minus 2, that's just going to be x plus 2 and x minus 1. and x squared minus 1, that's going to be x plus 1 and x minus 1. And then the 2x squared plus 5x plus 2, that's going to be x plus 2 and 2x plus 1. And if you need to pause the video for a second to look over each of those factorizations, feel free to do so. I went over those pretty quick. So now we're going to want to cancel all the like terms. So I'm seeing a 2x plus 1 and a 2x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 2, x minus 1 and x minus 1, and we are left with x minus 2 over x plus 1, and that is our solution.